Okay, so I'd like to just go on next items, and is the Go Buster items. Okay, so you know, because of that, you know, the Beast Morpher is announced, and so we all know that they are coming in 2019, and we are assuming, I'm pretty sure that they're going to use that, you know, the Go Buster footage for the some of the you know, fighting scenes, or you know, the Megazord battle scenes from the Go Busters in the Beast Morphers. And so these weapons, you know, these items are necessary, actually necessary to be appear in the show in the Beast Morphers. So I'm, you know, and this is a great opportunity that, you know, because of that, we see these items in our pre-owned toys market a lot, okay, and we are incredibly good prices, and so we can offer that these items, you know, more often. And so I believe that everybody will get, you know, very much, you know, happy with these items. So I'd like to just, you know, go into the details for these demonstrations, okay, today. All right, hello there, 30 in reviews, hello, and Charles350, good to see you again, hello there, thanks for coming in. Okay. All right, so let's do this, and then well, hope you enjoy this one here. Okay. So the first of all, these two, you know, one we have the Go Buster weapons, and Sougan Braid is here, Ichigan Buster is here. All right. We already did that a couple sales for these items, but we can even bring them more and with the better prices, because due to the you know, pre-owned toy market, and they all, you know, come in at very good prices. Okay, believe me. So I'd like to just show you how these two, you know, individually work, and actually they can combine and becomes the his attack weapon for the Go Busters, or I believe that it's gonna be for also Beast Morphers. Okay, so first let's go for the these Sougan Braid. Okay, so binoculars style, and in the shows, the show Go Buster shows, and all the members have, this is the standard weapon, standard equipment that they always have. So by the binocular bones, you can just do the search and everything, and you know, when the battle happens, becomes that, you know, very good sword, handy sword. Okay. And this is a very much the standard weapon that they always carry, and so it's great. Okay, so I'd like to just, you know, show you that how it works. Okay. All right, so let me just put that the battery case and the battery cover over here. All right, so you need a screwdriver and open it. And you can see that, you know, the terminals, okay, 2 AAA batteries, you know, the terminals is green, and allow me to bring that my batteries. Oh, okay, yeah. All right, so something, all right, how about this one here, the Fujitsu one, okay? So here's 1 and 2, and close that hatch. All right. Okay. All right. So let me just activate it here. All right. So okay, this is the you know, the Sougan, which means the 2 eyes and binoculars. Okay. So this is the mode, and we have a couple switches. Let me just try this. And this activated some of the screens here, you know, the viewer finder, should I say? Okay, like this. And you see the lights. Okay, so I believe this is one of the flashlight or something to do with that. Okay, and with the pressing the buttons here, you hear the sound. Maybe it was this one here. and close it. Okay, when you close this top the cover and you press the buttons, you can activate all the Go Busters sound and casters phrases. I think that's a Gorisaki's voice. Okay, all right. That's the what was that? Rabbit. Okay, I forgot his names, but the one of the droid. Okay. I think this is this is the sound of the Chidanik. Okay. All right. Okay, so basically the 3 lines are included there. All right. Okay, so this is the binocular mode, and to become the older handy braid one, and so or you can say dagger, and press these red buttons here, and it becomes the sword or dagger. Okay, now we can just press this button, slashing sound. And by pressing this buttons, it pops up, and now it's the activate the hissed attack. It's time for the buster, and press the red button. Right. So you can do the hissed attack as much as you can. And close it. It's time for Buster. All right. So this is the Sougan braid. Okay. So it's really nicely designed, and will activate some couple of the caster sound, the voices, and slashing and hissed attack. Okay, and transform back to the binocular mode. All right. So let's move on to the next. So Ichigan Buster. Now Ichigan is the camera. Okay, Ichigan Buster is a camera. But the camera style, it's a gun, and this is the very good size actually. When you hold out the camera, it's like see, I have the adult hands, and it's feel like the actual cameras. Well, it's not, unfortunately. You see that all that the finders here, the LED. Well, it's fake, of course, and there's nothing you can see here, but it's just stickers. But also you can see through the finder. I hope that you can see it here. All right. I don't know if you can. All right, there you go. Can you see it? All right. My finger is there on the other side, so you can see the actually see through the finders. Okay, and so let me just put the batteries, and okay, where did I? Oh, yeah, there you go. Okay, so battery cover is just behind the LED panels. There you go. Needs the 2 AAA batteries once again. Okay, and this time I like to just bring that, how about the Panasonic one? Okay, so Panasonic batteries. There's 1 and 2, and close that, the cover. Okay, so the power switch is over here and on. All right, you hear the activation sound. Now this is where the fan starts. Okay, like I said, this is the camera mode, and so you can just, here's the shutter switch. So as you press it, nice sound. Okay, so you can hold it. You can feel like a professional cameraman with this, okay? And this camera, I remember Ichigan Buster was often used in the Go Buster series, and as a weapon, of course, because it's a standard weapon that they always carry. And also, they use the camera mode to shoot that bag rats, which is the enemies in the show. So because it has the all the wonderful zoom lens. And it's very important for the espionage or everything, intelligences, everything. All right, so let's go for the zoom mode. All right, so this is a camera, but once you dial that zoom lens here, the lens pops up and becomes the kind of bigger one here now. Now the sound has changed, and hear the sound. All right, so the shutter go faster and more taking. You can take more pictures. And let me just go back and close this and turn and a single shot and multiple shots. All right, so that's how it works. But this is just only a Ichigan Buster. I mean, the cameras mode. Now let's go for. Let's close that. And for the gun mode now. And to become the gun mode, to transform into the gun mode, press the button here. You see that all the triggers came, pops up. And here's the other buttons. Press this and turn the lens. All right, there we go. So this is the Ichigan Buster, really. Okay, so it's more big, like a big guns. Okay, by itself. And hear the sounds. All right, and you can see the LEDs over here. Yeah, it's very cool because it's Go Busters. Or you can say Grid Battlefield. That's what I heard. Okay, so Grid Battlefield stands for the GB stands for the Grid Battlefield, right? Okay, so let's Go Busters. It's really cool sounds and machines. I mean, good weapons. Still, you can see through from the finder the offset. Okay. Now, like this is the standard single shot. But remember that, and this is a zoom lens, actually the special Go Buster special lens. Okay. So as you turn down this dial.
It's time for Buster.
Oh yeah. And he set attack and press. That's the multiple shot. And let's do it again. It's a single shot. But it's time for the Buster.
It's time for Buster.
Okay, so let me just transform back to the camera mode. And let's go back for the Buster mode.
It's time for Buster.
So this is the Ichigan Buster and Sougan Braid. It's really cool toys that it's affordable prices because they are pre-owned toys, and really nice. You know, one of my favorite Prey toys that I have, and they are available from our stores, and it's already in our stores. So whenever you feel like that, go ahead. You know, you can be a Go Buster or Beast Morphers. Now I have to tell you this: these individual weapons, it's great. Yes, individually, it's a great design and play values, sounds. Really like that. But even cooler, that both of them can combine. What would you say? All right. So let's try that. Now I like to combine both of them into just one huge bazooka. Should I say bazooka? I'm not sure. Okay, but the big gun. Okay, so let's try that. And how do you do this? And because it's pretty simple. This is a Sougan braid, and okay, so still press the buttons here. Okay. See, now it's turned into different shape. All right. So this is very important. Remember that it's shape, style, okay? And see that, and here we have the slides, okay? The connector, and this is very important. Also, here's the another connector too, okay? So here's the two connectors. We're gonna use it. So let me just put this one here. Now for the Ichigan Buster. Now this is not a very good form for the fighting, okay? No. So transform into Buster, Ichigan Buster now. And so to make that, you know, the combination with the Sougan braid, you don't need this one here, the big wrench. So what you do is press the button here and take that off, okay? And now you have the connectors appeared, okay? And remember that we have just on that, you know, the finder, there's a slide for the flash or strobo, okay? So use these two connectors and connect them. Okay, ready? It's time for the special buster. Okay, so this is the final weapon that they have. And here this. Okay. All right, and while you're playing with it, still you can activate all the sounds here. And activate the voice. Oops, sorry. Here, where'd it go? Okay.
It's time for Buster.
Okay, so, and to release it, sorry, one moment. Okay, so to release them, and you need to just, you know, press this button on the both side, press like this. It will just, you know, come off. Okay, so let me just do it again for the final buster. And press that, pull the trigger. All right. So this is the Go Busters or the Beast Morphers weapons. Ichigan Buster. And Sougan Braid. Okay, so both of them are available at our stores, and if you need it, and we can bring them more and with the even better prices. Unbelievably, they are cheap. at the local shops. And so we'll bring them more at your request. And so I hope you enjoyed these videos and the functionality that it has, variety of the sounds, and great cool designs. The Go Busters already aired 3 or 4 or 5 years ago, a long time ago now. And now the Hasbro is going to bring that the Beast Morphers 2019. Actually these toys are ahead of the Beast Morphers. It's not even released yet. Okay, so be ready. All right, and I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. I hope you're can grab, put your hands on these great toys. All right, so thank you very much, everyone.